Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove app from Amazon Fire TV homepage. First, turn on your TV and your Amazon Fire TV device. From the home screen, look at the row of the app in the middle of the screen. Using Fire TV remote, move over the app you want to remove. Once the app is highlighted, press and hold the select button on your remote that says center button. From the menu, select remove from center or remove from home. This will remove the app from the home screen only. If you want to completely delete the app, choose uninstall instead. If you remove from home screen, the app will no longer appear on the home screen, but it will be still installed in your Fire TV. If you select uninstall, confirm by clicking uninstall again, the app will be removed from the device. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.